Hi guys, this is Danny from San Diego, California, and I make this video just to share with you guys my mango tree. I wanted to show you guys my 10-year-old mango tree. It germinated from a mango that we ate, and it's now a full-grown mango. It's been 10 years now and it's never flowered. This is the first time this mango flowered, and here it is. This is the flower. So for 10 years, had this mango, took care of it year after year, no flowers, but the leaves were still green. And this is mango trees, if you know, these are evergreen. They're green all year long. This year is the first time that flowered after 10 years. And here you can see that I chopped the end of that branch so that to see if some flowers would come out. And this year it gave us some flowers. All 3 branches or 4 branches of this tree is showing flowering, and this is the very first flower sprouting this year. So this is very interesting because mango trees are very hard to take care of and to grow here in the San Diego area. The good thing is that this mango never yellowed. It's been always green, and that's one of the reasons why I've always kept going with it, because the mango kept all its leaves through the 10 years. And this is another seed, another tree from another mango seed that we sprouted. And this one, it's the same thing. It's been have it for 10 years. This year finally is the first year that the mango flowered. So hopefully I'll try to make videos, follow-on videos as to how the flower goes, and finally we get some mangoes. So see you guys on my next video.